Hello, I'm Faye from Family Recovery Mum. Welcome to the Trust series. This is part 1, the core trust, with an introduction. If you're here, chances are you're the one holding things together, the one who reads the room, carries the worry, and keeps showing up for someone you love who's struggling with addiction. And you're probably worn out, because somewhere along the way, the whole family's steadiness started resting on you. So let me start with the most honest thing I know about trust. You cannot make another person trustworthy. You can't love it into them, argue it into them, or wait it into them. That part simply isn't yours, but here's what is yours, and it changes everything. You can become the steady, clear-eyed one, the foundation the rest gets rebuilt on. When you can see trust clearly and act from your own solid ground, you stop being thrown about by every good day and every bad one. That's what this little course is for. 4 short lessons, 3 or 4 minutes each, and a companion workbook with a page for every one. So you're not just listening, you're finding your own footing as you go. I built all of this from my own years of living it, not from a manual. Later I learnt the path I'd stumbled onto already had an evidence-based name, and this course is aligned with those principles. But at heart it's just what worked, told honestly from one family to another, and I won't overfill your plate. You've got more than enough on it. Everything here is chosen because you can actually use it on your own this week, exactly as things are. Here's the one idea I'd love you to bring in with you. Most of us keep asking, do I trust them? And tie ourselves in knots, because the answer is somehow both yes and no. By the end of these lessons, you'll be asking a far better question. Which part of trust am I rebuilding right now? That shift alone changes everything. So, when you're ready, pop the kettle on, grab your workbook, and come into lesson 1 with me. You've already taken the first step just by being here. Let's take the next one together. The companion workbook that goes with this whole series is linked below. Grab it before lesson 1 and hit subscribe, because lessons 1 through 4 are coming next in this playlist.